Hello, today we're going to discuss how to use a range of pronouns and adverbials for anaphoric reference. What will you learn in this lesson? What you'll learn is what is an anaphoric reference and how anaphoric references are used in the English language. First, let's discuss what is an anaphoric reference. An anaphoric reference occurs when a word or phrase refers to something mentioned earlier in the previous sentence. We will be looking at pronouns for practice. So, for example, let's look at this sentence here. I went out with Joe on Sunday. She looked awful. Here we have two sentences. We want to identify the anaphoric pronoun reference. Looking closely, we will see that she is our anaphoric reference. How is that so? Well, she clearly refers to Joe. There's no need to repeat her name. Let's do a bit more practice identifying the anaphoric pronoun reference. Pause the video here and read the sentence and try to identify the anaphoric pronoun reference. Okay, once you have identified the anaphoric pronoun reference, let's see if you are correct. In this sentence, Mira is a great person. She loves to take care of everyone. Our anaphoric pronoun is she. She is referring to Mira. Hope you got that correct. Let's practice some more. Pause the video here as you are identifying the anaphoric pronoun in this sentence. Once you have identified the anaphoric pronoun, let's see if you are correct. Here, they is our anaphoric pronoun. They is referring to Ahmed and Saif. Let's try another. Pause the video and try to find the anaphoric pronoun in this sentence. Okay, let's look at this sentence. Everyone is interested in taking advanced engineering. Suddenly, it's a subject most in demand. Here, you should have identified its as your anaphoric pronoun reference. This is referring to advanced engineering. Let's try one more time. Pause the video and try to find the anaphoric reference pronoun or pronouns in this sentence. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you found the anaphoric pronoun or pronouns in this sentence. Let's take a look. Here we have Michael went to the bank. He was annoyed because it was closed. He is our anaphoric pronoun. As we know, he is referring to Michael. But there is another. If we look closely, we can also see that it is in this sentence as well, in which it is identifying to the bank. Hope you got that one right. Let's remember, when identifying anaphoric references, they occur only when a word or phrase refers to something mentioned earlier in the previous sentence. Hope you got it. Bye.